Hi beautiful ladies, this is Katie. I'm so happy for you to be here, to be back on my channel, watching my videos, hearing my voice. And if you're a high quality woman looking for a high quality man, then yes, you've come to the right place. As you know, I'm all about talking about high value women attracting a high value man. And I know a lot of you ladies want to attract and keep high quality, high value men. So that means you need to be a high quality lady, high quality woman, high value woman as well. So what does that look like? You know, in previous videos, I've very quickly generally alluded to what a high value woman is. But in this video, I wanted to dive a little bit deeper. I wanted to cover what are the traits, and in particular, what does a high value woman look like? Number one, she doesn't complain. She's not going to sit around and say, oh, men are liars, men are cheaters, men are awful, men just don't want to commit, I can't do anything about my life because the situation just sucks. Okay, she's just not going to sit there and complain about it. Number two, she doesn't blame. Okay, so if there is a result in her life that she's not getting or she's not happy with her love life, she's not going to blame it on her parents, on her upbringing, on her ex-boyfriend, on the fact that, you know, she was hurt in the past. Which leads me to the next point, she takes responsibility for her actions. And there is a big difference between blaming yourself and taking responsibility for something. Because usually when we blame ourselves, it's because of something negative. And if you're taking responsibility, it's because it's something negative that we probably don't want to take responsibility for. And a lot of us default to blaming instead of taking responsibility. And how you know the difference is when you blame yourself, you feel bad. It's a negative feeling. But if you take responsibility, you actually feel pretty good. You feel empowered, okay? You're feeling empowered because you are taking responsibility. You own up to, you know, the negative thing or the mistake or whatever that you have done. Number four, she doesn't wait for things to happen. She's not sitting around waiting for a man to show up at her door. She's not waiting for a man to call her, to text her, to take her out. She is proactive about creating what she wants to create. Now, that doesn't mean she's chasing after him. That means she's not going to rely on one man to fulfill her needs. She's able to be resourceful and sort her own needs out. Take care of her own needs in other ways without relying on any one particular person. Number five, she values herself and her time more than any man. Okay? If a man is not giving her time of day, she's not going to sit around and, you know, put her activities aside for him because she honors herself, she respects herself, she values herself, and her time, she knows her time is valuable. That is important to her because she is important to her. Number six, she seeks guidance not from external sources, but from within, because she knows the person she should really be listening to and looking out for and honoring is herself and her own voice. Number seven, she creates a life instead of just waiting for life to happen to her. Number eight, she works on cultivating a beautiful, radiant, and powerful self-image. Notice I said the word works on. It doesn't just happen to her. She has to work at it, okay? Working at it, self-image and how she thinks about herself. Number nine, she works on up-leveling her skills, her knowledge, and her contribution to the world. Number 10, she believes she is high value. Number 11, she allows a masculine man to lead, not because she's not capable of it, because she knows she's capable of that and many other things, but because she enjoys being feminine and she understands that feeling as if she is being taken care of is not the same and doesn't mean she is weak or inferior in any way. And lastly, number 12, she doesn't try to control other people. She knows she can't control other people. She goes to work on herself instead. So those are the 12 things that I believe what makes a high-value woman and what she looks like. And am I saying that we're like this 100% of the time? Is there any woman who's like this 100% of the time? Of course not. You know, we all make mistakes. High-value women sometimes exhibit low-value behavior. But this is where I want you to just be mindful of what you are practicing on a daily basis. Are you practicing showing up as high value daily and getting better and better at being a high value woman through your actions? Or are you just not being conscious about it? You know, just sometimes you are, sometimes you're not. And allowing yourself to get into the habit of low value behavior, because the more you practice low value behavior, the more low value you're going to become. So just be mindful. How are you showing up on a daily basis and making sure you are putting in place, putting into practice how you think, how you feel, how you behave in a high value way to make sure you are always coming across as a high value woman so you can more easily attract high value men. So that's my video for today. If you enjoyed it, please like me, please comment below, leave me some feedback. You know, I always appreciate hearing your comments. And you know, I'm always thinking of you. And once again, if you like the opportunity to work with me one-on-one, check out the link in the description. I'm opening up registrations for you to have a chance to work with me. You know, I want to get deeper with you, to really get to know you, to really help you accelerate your progress. So that is something I'm really, really excited about and excited to do with you. So that is all from me, and I will talk to you real soon next time. Bye.